Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today, we are going to continue the fourth lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard 8th, lesson number 4, Excel. And today's topic is Open an existing worksheet. My dear students, in this video, we will learn how to open a saved worksheet. Dear students, the easiest and the quickest way to open an existing worksheet is from the Start menu. So on the taskbar, click on Start button. You will see the Start menu. On the left pane of the Start menu, point to Microsoft Office Excel 2007. The right pane changes to show a list of recent Excel worksheets. Click on the name of the worksheet, Mark Sheet to open it. For second way to open an existing worksheet is Start Excel. Now on the title bar, click on Office button. You will see a drop-down menu. On the right pane of the menu, in Recent Documents, click on the name of the worksheet, Mark Sheet to open it. Or on the left pane of the menu, click on Open. You will see the Open dialog box. On the right pane, click on the name of the worksheet, Mark Sheet to open it. Or in the file name, enter the name of the worksheet, Mark Sheet. Click on Open at the bottom of the dialog box to open the worksheet. On the title bar, click on Close to close the Excel. So my dear students, in this video, we have learned how to open a saved worksheet. So practice at home to open a saved worksheet.